Okay, welcome to your Where Your Heart Is English version. C, A minor, F, G, ukulele. Here we go. Where your heart is, that's where your treasure is. Where your heart is, that's where your treasure is. Let your eyes be fixed on things from above. Let your heart be fixed on things that last. Where your heart is, that's where your treasure is. Where your heart is, that's where your treasure is. Do not store up your treasures on this earth that we live in, where moths and vermin destroy and where thieves break in and steal. That's right, 'cause where your heart is, that's where your treasure is. Where your heart is, that's where your treasure is. Let your eyes be fixed on things from above. Let your heart be fixed on things that last. Where your heart is, that's where your treasure is. Where your heart is, that's where your treasure is. But store up for yourself treasures in heaven, where moths and vermin do not destroy, and where thieves do not break in and steal. Yes, where thieves cannot even enter. 'Cause where your heart is, that's where your treasure is. Where your heart is, that's where your treasure is. Let your eyes be fixed on things from above. Let your heart be fixed on things that last. Where your heart is, that's where your treasure is. Where your heart is, that's where your treasure is. So let's continue with the Khasi version now. Hangno ka dohnud jong ka dohnud, hangta ka dohnud spah jong Hangno ka dohnud jong ka dohnud, hangta ka dohnud spah jong Do ai bakik ma jong Haba ka dohnud jong ka hangta ka spah jong What kynshew spah hangne haka Haba ke dohnud jong pi kadon hangta kadon ke spah jong pi sasien Hangno dohnud jong pi kadon hangta kadon ke spah jong pi waktu ada hikmat jong pi pai syah gimana jong bat tu ai bakal dohnud jong pi kan pai syah gimana Hangno dohnud jong pi kadon hangta kadon ke spah jong pi. Yes. Mabahaba don ka dohnud jong pi hangta kadon ka spah jong pi. Alright. Second verse. Kynshew ya ka spah jong pi ha dahi mahu blai Haba khniang ka sarang laban pynjot bat nongtuh game laban Nabahaba ke dohnud jong pi kadon hangta kadon ke spah jong pi. Hangno dohnud jong pi kadon hangta kadon ke spah jong pi. Alright. Second version of the chorus. Nabahaba